In this tutorial video, you will be learning to create AutoCAD 2D drawing step by step. As an example, we are going to draw the orthographic views from the given pictorial view of an object using AutoCAD web app. Hi, I am Rajesh and you are learning from CAD IQ. So first, here we are going to see a pictorial view of an object. So first we are going to see how to draw the front view, top view and the left side view. So the arrow mark indicates the front view and you are seeing the sides which you are going to see. So I am marking the edges that are visible in the front view, the orange color that you can see in the screen. So these are the edges that will be visible to you. So you can see in the screen the front view, how you will get. Next we are going to see the top view. So we are going to do it by first angle projection. From the top you will be seeing these faces. Now I am going to mark the edges that will be seen in the top view. So with the light blue color I am marking those edges that are visible in the top view. So now we are going to see the picture of the top view. Okay, so next we are going to see how the left side view will come. The left side view will be drawn on the right hand side. So I am going to mark those edges. The faces that will be seen are shown. We will be seeing those two faces. With the yellow color I am marking the edges that are visible on the left side view. Okay, so now we have a clear idea how to draw an orthographic view from the pictorial drawing. So this is going to be the left side view. So this drawing we are going to actually make it in the AutoCAD web app application. Okay, so for that you have to open our AutoCAD web app application. So after opening that, go for the new drawing and then you type the name of your drawing. So next what we are going to see is the units. Okay, here we are selecting the metric units. The other option is the imperial units or inches. So now the drawing gets loaded in the backup along with its library. The screen that you are seeing is the primary screen. Okay, so in which first we are going to check up with the properties. First we are going to change to metric 3.5. okay, and then the dimensioning we are going to change. Okay, so these two changes we will make so that the drawing according to our scale is visible. We are going to draw using in an A4 size. Okay, so first we are drawing a line. Say for that you have to give the dimensions and you have to click the ortho on. So I am going to draw it for the length of 75, which I can type above the line itself or on the box that is down there. So next we have to click this zoom extents. Okay, so we can use the middle click button to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so that is what you are seeing on the right side, a mouse. I am showing the middle click scroll. Scroll can be used for zooming in or out. Okay, so now I have drawn a line with the dimension of length 75. Okay, so now if we want to continue with that, we have to click at the end point. So there is a O snap that is available that will automatically catch it. Then I have added 12 the distance and I have gone to the length, and using the O track facility I have stopped at the point and clicked on another point to get this rectangle. Okay, so if you want to check the dimensions whether we have drawn rightly or not, we can go to annotate and then you can see a dimension marking. From there we are checking out this dimension 75 and 12. Okay, So now this is for our test only. So we are erasing these dimensions. I'm just selecting and then press the delete button, or you can go for the modify erase also. So now we are going for the draw command, and I am going to continue to draw. So you remember the shape of our drawing. So next what we are going to do is we are going to start from the end point. Using the O snap, we are catching the end point, and if you look, this is our drawing. Okay, so here we are going to draw the 25 mm line. Okay, and then it has to go for another distance of 20. Okay, so now an interesting command that we are going to learn here. So here what we are going to do is we are going to click the line, and we have to type from in the text box, and then you have to select the end point, and you have to type in at 20,0. Okay, so now what happens is that the line starts 20 mm from the end point. So automatically that line is cut, and we are clicking the end point to get the other end. So we have drawn the first view, that is the front view of the drawing. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to next to draw the top view. Okay, so of our drawing. So before that, what we are going to do is we have to offset these two lines and do it. So we have done it with the help of the offset command. Okay, so we are doing it. So next what we are going to do is, okay, you are seeing the pictorial view of the drawing. Now we are going to draw the top view. For that we have to extend a line like this. Okay, using the O track. O track is an important feature in AutoCAD which we will be using largely. We have to click on another point, and we are extending it like this. So this will be of a length 75. So in the top view, the distance here is 50. That is what we are doing it. Okay, so we are extending it for a distance of 25 along this direction. We are going inside, so another 25 it will come, and finally we are going to close it here. So from the top view we will be seeing it like this. Okay, so as a reference we are getting this. So next we have to draw the line that is there in the center. So from the middle we can click, and we have to go for a distance of 20, and then using the O track facility you can take up a point like this and give a distance of 20 to get that. Okay, so now we are going for the annotate command and just checking the dimensions from here to here to the end point. It should be 20. So we have got that, so we are right. So we continue. So next what we are going to do is we are going to draw a line from the middle, and then for a distance of 25 we have to draw. Okay, so this is how we are getting our top view. So next we are going to draw the left side view. So here also I see I am using an O track facility to capture or to take up a straight line from the point. So from the end point, using O track, I will locate a point, and then I am going to draw a rectangle. So that the rectangle dimensions will be the side length, which is 50, and then height will be 12. Okay, so this rectangle will be of dimensions 50, 12. So you have to type at the rate of 50, 12 to get this rectangle. So next I am going to use explode command to make this rectangle sides split up or individual lines. Okay, from here, so I am going to draw a straight line to the height of about 25, and then I'm going to draw a straight line. So the dimensions we already know, so accordingly we are drawing it. So from here I have to mark an edge that is hidden. So when I look from the left hand side view, the cut that is there in the center is not visible, that is hidden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for an offset command, click the edge and click the inside. Okay, so here we got the line. So the distance we already know, it is 12 mm inside. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I want to change the properties of this line. So for this I am going to the properties and I'm line type, and I'm going to give dashed. Okay, so line type. So now if you see it's not much visible. Once I am selecting the line and I am going to change the scale. Okay, so to 5. So after changing the scale, you can see that line is visible now. Okay, so now we have drawn the left side view also. Okay, so we can, using your mouse middle click button, you can zoom in and zoom out. So this is what the properties I am using it. Okay, so next I am going to do the dimensions. Okay, so for this I have created a new layer and I am naming it as dimensions, any name we can give. So I'm going to select this layer as the current one. Okay, so on the dimensions I am changing it, the color properties also. Okay, so I'm just going to mark here, and wherever the dimensions I want, I'm just clicking the 2 points and I will be getting the linear dimensions of this. So your control middle click will do the pan command, and so these are the dimensions I am checking out. So depending upon which dimensions that are needed in a given view, I am using that and selecting it. So these are the dimensions that I have given. So I am continuing in the top view for the other important dimensions. So dimensions need not be repetitive. Okay, so wherever it is needed, we have to mark those dimensions. So here also I am going to mark this dimension here. Okay, I think we have almost done with the dimensions. This one dimension is remaining, but I have done. Okay, fine. Yes, this is an important dimension. Okay. So now we have almost marked all the dimensions. Yeah, we have marked all the dimensions that are needed to draw this drawing. I'm giving zoom extents. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these all dimensions and change the color so that it is the dimensions are looking in a different slightly gray color, so that the drawing is more visible and it's more useful. Okay, so by holding the shift button, I'm selecting all the dimensions, and then I'm going to the change the color to gray. Okay, so now if you look, the dimensions are in different color. So these dimensions are missed, and once I am doing the same, holding the shift button, I am selecting these dimensions and changing the color of it. Now all the dimensions are in a different layer, dim layer. Okay, our drawing is in a different layer. So these two layers, if we create, it will be more useful for us. Okay, so in this video we have learned how to draw orthographic views from a pictorial drawing, and we have also learned many AutoCAD commands. Initially we have looked into the properties to change the dimension style to make 3.5 and text style to simplex 3.5. In the zoom commands, we have used the zoom extents button, which is available on the top left corner, and we have also used the middle scroll button for zooming in and zoom out, and as well as for pan. So in draw we have seen commands like line, rectangle, and in modify we have looked into the offset command and as well as explode. So on the go we have learned so much commands and we were able to draw this drawing. Okay, so hope you all liked this tutorial, found it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel CAD IQ. Thank you. Great learning experience. Until next time. Thank you. Bye.